Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's hilarious, and I just can't. It's just so hilarious. It's so hilarious. Please like and subscribe if you know this video was hilarious. Okay? I think I'm gonna go take a little nap or something.